Hi everyone, this is Vivek from Tech 101. Today I am going to tell you about how to remove add friend button from your Facebook profile and add follow button instead of that add friend button. So without any delay, let's start our video. Before starting our video, let me show you there is add friend button in my Facebook profile, and I'm going to remove this add friend button. So without any delay, let's get started. For this, click on the three lines at the top right corner and scroll down, click on settings and privacy, and then select settings. After this, you have to scroll down and click on privacy settings. Now you can see the question here, who can send you friend request. Click there and check on the friends of friends. After doing this, click on back button and view your profile again. Now you can see there is no add friend button, only follow button is there. So guys, how was this video? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following the steps shown here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.